Hello, my name is Making Tracks. Today I'm at London Marylebone Station to ride a relic at the British Rail. Have been running here for around 50 years. This is the Silver Set edition. Chiltern Railways Silver Set is England's oldest diesel train, reaching a speed of 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometres per hour. It can reach from Marylebone to Birmingham Moor Street in just under 2 hours, which is marginally slower than an Avanti West Coast mainline train. It is in the form of a Class 68, 6 Mark III coaches, the same coaches of the Intercity 125 HST, and then Class 82. The Silver Set is my favourite train, and as I have never ridden one and it's going to be removed from service soon, we're going to be riding it today. This is our Class 68 that will be taking us to Birmingham this morning. This is the Oxford Flyer, and it's got its name because this is the only 68 that will go from Oxford before Great Western Railway restricted Chiltern Railway to 2 short platforms. Yeah.
Birmingham Moor Street, calling at High Wycombe, Haddenham and Tame Parkway, Bicester North, Banbury, Leamington Spa, Warwick, Warwick Parkway, Dorridge, Solihull and Birmingham Moor Street.
Richard is coming. So a tour of the carriage compartments. We got basic chairs with pretty worn leather, plugs, a table, Above us we have overhead hangings, and dotted around are those little bins, and there's a toilet at the other end of the carriage.
Calling at Solihull and Birmingham Moor Street.
There's always trains in here, it's really busy. There's one in there being unloaded.
The next station is Birmingham Moor Street.
Yeah. Right, enjoy the rest of your day.
And welcome to Birmingham Moor Street. So after we got off at Birmingham Moor Street, we train spotted for a while, and then the silver set was ready to go. The silver set had left Birmingham Moor Street. We too left Birmingham Moor Street in the visitors entrance. We went to a place called Prime Minister, which was a great place, and we grabbed food there. And when we got back to Birmingham Moor Street, we were met with quite a surprise. And this is our train for the ride back to London. This one is a bio train. going on vegetable oil instead of diesel. Chiltern Railway proposed greener future plan.
Pardon? Yeah. And that one we came off and it caught up a bit. Despite the signals and slowing down the battery. It's is that in French? I think they're staying here for the steamer. The only trouble is that with no sunlight, it's going to dazzle us.
Chiltern Railways service to the London Marylebone. Solihull going quite far away.
You've got some good pictures up there at the start. Rosie and I, we walked all down the lot.
We're all going to have to go through that anyway. It's coming.
That's a common old Chiltern. You might see a cross country. Oh, it's invade that one there.
That's the big concern. Speaking to Jason earlier this afternoon, we're pretty relaxed by this. It's all covered by an eye. And it's simply the idea is that's probably the biggest risk for everybody. And it's simply it's like, what's the point of making sounds like you, in principle, is reasonable. So if we can stick with that, then I think we're pretty comfortable. Yeah, you know, if you want to call it conservation,
And welcome back to Marylebone. And that's the end of the video. Now, just a few things. The Silverset is my favourite train on the entire world, and it is such a disappointment to see it gone and replaced by the Mark V's, which in my opinion looks quite nice in their new livery. So the Silversets will be removed in spring, and if you haven't seen the Silverset yet, go now, because this will probably be your last chance to see one. Alright, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.